Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce Jamie Oliver, only way. Start by chopping tomatoes, garlic, shallot, and basil into even pieces. Then warm olive oil and gently sweat the aromatics until fragrant. Add tomatoes and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Simmer slowly to concentrate flavors. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste and season with salt and pepper. Finish with fresh basil and a drizzle of oil for brightness. Heat the pan over low to medium heat and allow the aromatics to soften without color, which keeps the sauce bright and sweet. Add the tomatoes, and a controlled simmer helps the sauce reduce slowly. Use the back of a spoon to break tomatoes if desired. Watch for texture and doneness rather than time. Finish by tasting and adjusting salt and sugar, and stir in fresh basil or a splash of oil before serving. If you are enjoying the guide, please like and subscribe to support more simple, home-friendly recipes. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading cookbooks or food blogs while your sauce simmers. Check the description for the product link and other deals and any promo details. It pairs nicely with a relaxed kitchen session and a cuppa. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If you prefer a different style, pulse the sauce for a smoother texture, or leave it chunky for rustic appeal. Boost complexity with a splash of red wine or roasted peppers. Add chili flakes for heat or capers for saltiness. Reheat gently to preserve fresh flavors. Cool quickly and store in airtight containers for up to 4 days in the fridge or freeze portions for later. Label jars with the date and enjoy homemade sauce anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.